If your intention is to make money on YouTube by working at the comfort of your home with little or no investment, this video is the best for you. In this video, I will give you 5 ways to make money on YouTube without necessarily investing much money. Most of the things that I'm going to mention, what you basically need is your time and your ability to learn some basic skills about the internet, and you can go. So please, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell as we produce about 2 to 3 videos every week to help you to be able to succeed in your business and your online business and to make more money. So fast forward, we move to the first point. The number one way you can make money on YouTube is by teaching. And then when I say teaching is a very broad category. You can be teaching a particular skill that you know. For example, let's say me, I teach business and then personal development. So I use what I know to teach people how to really succeed in business, how to develop themselves, how to achieve their goals and dreams. And by so doing, I am able to profit from it and also earn something. So the number one thing that you need to know is how to teaching people. So let me give you several examples. You could be teaching, let's say you know how to play a guitar. Maybe let's say you know how to do something, a particular skill. You know how to teach maths. You know how to teach people how to draw. You can teach people how to install wallpaper. You can teach people how to put a security gadget or camera or anything, CCTV camera. How to install a DSTV. Anything that you know that you think you can teach others. You try to develop your brand, put a few resources together, develop yourself, organize yourself very well, and start teaching it. Someone is teaching maths online, and he makes a lot of money far better than a traditional teaching in the classroom. So someone is also teaching people how to cook, and he is able to make a lot of money on YouTube. Someone is teaching people how to plaster or how to paint, and he's making a lot of money. So whichever skill that you know and you can teach others, please learn how to be able to put it in a form that you can teach others, make videos out of that, and then upload them to YouTube, and you're going to get a very good pay. And then at least you get about 65% of the ad revenue from it when you are able to do them very well, and then you start monetizing your channel. Though the beginning is hard, but when you keep in and you do quality videos, and then as you polish up your skills, you are going to make a lot of money. Number 2 of the ways you can make money on YouTube is by video compilation. When I talk about compiling videos, I am talking about, let's say that you are compiling certain categories of messages together for people. For example, we have Ivan Kamekar, who put motivational and business videos together, business motivation, personal development, all those things. So we have a lot of successful people that they have done a lot of speeches, or they have been invited to speak at events, and all those videos are there. So with this one, you just need certain video editing skills. So you put clips together or videos together, edit them, and then add meaningful enhancements to them, and then upload them. So for example, you can put, let's say, a particular message on how to achieve your purpose in life. You go and look for messages like that and then bring them together. Let's say how to succeed in business or how to succeed in life, 10 rules for success, and you go and look for 10 successful people and their rules for success, and put them together, edit them properly, and upload it. Or maybe you can even take one person, and then the person has stated 10 rules, and you are able to edit them and then put the points one by one, attach it, enhance it well, and then upload it. YouTube, according to YouTube laws, it is allowed. So that's the second point, or the second thing that you need to do in order to be able to make money on YouTube. So the first one, as I said, is by teaching, and then the second one is by videos compilation. The third one that I'll talk about is travel and tour. So with the travel and tour, what you basically need to do is to travel around places, tour places, take videos that people want to watch. You can even be using a drone. You can just be taking adventures, traveling from place to place, taking very good quality videos of new places that people have not been before, and they are likely to be interested in watching. And there are several YouTubers who are doing that. They travel to places, they tour places, they take videos and they upload them to YouTube, and they are making huge monies. And then we have a lot of examples on that. If you check around YouTube, you see several people that are doing similar ones. And we can talk about African Work Videos. It's a YouTube channel. They are also doing something in relation to that. We can talk about Wodemaya, who is a popular African YouTuber, and several others. So that's the first three. And if it is not about having too much, you can manage any little that you have. Even if you cannot travel, the environment that you are in, very nice surroundings that you can take videos, you take them and then you upload them. Then we go to the fourth one. The fourth one is interviews. With the interviews, you basically need just to interview people. They could be celebrities, they could be people who are expert in their fields. It could be funny straight interviews. Sometimes we have categories of interviews where you interview people on the street about certain popular issues. People who may give very funny responses, or people questions that you ask people and they don't really they may answer in the way that the answers look funny, and then just to get their opinion on certain issues. So interviews is one of the ways that you can use to make a very good money on YouTube. So we talk about interviewing celebrities, interviewing people who are expert in their fields, interviewing people on the street about certain popular issues, and then you'll be able to put their views together into a video. Then we go into the next one. The last point, which is the fifth one that I'll talk about, is about entertainment and comedy. Entertainment and comedy is one of the popular topics on YouTube that help people to get a lot of views, and they are able to monetize their channels very fast. So for example, you could be doing funny movie clips. You interview people, or let's say you do a very funny clip. Someone is people are doing something that looks very funny, and then you record it and then edit and then upload it. We can also talk about let's say celebrity news or celebrity related news. Then you upload them up. Maybe this celebrity says this or he does this, and you know most of these celebrities, they do weird things just to get public attention. So you put all those things together, and then you always, or even breaking news. So all those breaking news, all those celebrity news, all those entertainment news, all those funny comedies that people do that looks very fun, and a lot of people come to YouTube to get some fun and to be able to refresh themselves. So you put all those things together and put it in the form of a movie, short comedy movies that people want to watch, interesting things that people really want to watch, or maybe something weird that someone is doing that you've never seen someone doing it before, so you really want to watch how it is done to them. So these are the things that you need to do. These are the ways. And then I want to add this. One important thing that you need to do is dedication and commitment. You may get a lot of money from it, or you may be able to monetize your channel fast, but if you are not committed, if you don't do proper editing, most of the things that I mentioned, if you don't do proper editing, you may get copyright infringement. Because if you take someone's video and you compile and you don't edit it and add meaningful enhancements, the YouTube algorithm recognizes that a copyrighted video, and they may strike your channel. So you have to take time, make sure that you do proper editing, add meaningful enhancements to the video so that you won't be seen as copyrighted. What I also want to add is that you need to be consistent, because the YouTube algorithm needs consistent feed of information, videos, data, in order to analyze your channel and rank it and give it a particular the category in which your channel is a master in. So you need to be constantly feeding it with information by uploading more videos consistently, and then just staying at the top of the game. and I tell you at the end of the day, you are going to make a lot of you are going to monetize your YouTube channel within the shortest possible time. And then choose something that you are passionate about. If you are going to do something that you are not passionate about, you easily give up early. Once again, subscribe to our channel, and then we continue to give you powerful content every week. God bless you for watching.